Hello and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you my take on the Bulletproof coffee and a little update on myself. I had an infection in my eyes. You can still see it, I'm sure. My eyes probably look really bad. But anyway, so I can't really see what I'm doing. So I decided for a quick and easy something to do, I would share my Bulletproof coffee, which I'm getting ready to have for an afternoon snack. Because I'm really not doing much because I don't have much eyesight, and so I'm just drinking coffee and hanging around. My eyes are being treated. They have a viral infection, and so I'm not anticipating any problem with it. It's just right now that they aren't functioning correctly. So come along with me and I will show you the way I make Bulletproof coffee. So I wanted to talk a little bit about what I put in my coffee and why. The first thing I put in is sunflower lecithin. And the reason I put that in, 1/8 of a teaspoon of that, is to keep the rest of the coffee from separating after I blend it. I don't like when the oils come and sit on top of the hot coffee. I used a teaspoon of MCT oil, and I usually use the Now brand, but this brand had a special on, and so I went ahead and tried it. I like it very well. And may even go back to buying that again depending on the price difference between them and Now once I'm ready for more MCT oil. I also use the Great Lakes collagen for the protein that's in it, and I use it for my hair, which I've really bad trouble with my hair wanting to fall out and then not regrow, and my nails are very brittle and cracked because I garden and they just fall off. So collagen helps to replace that. The other thing is stevia. I use the End brand, and it's actually from Brazil. I don't think you can buy it in America. I think you can buy it online, but you have to buy like a large amount of it. And then last, but certainly not least, is the ghee. You can also use butter or coconut oil. A lot of people don't sweeten it, but I like mine sweet. The main thing with Bulletproof coffee is it's not something to go overboard on because it does have a lot of fat in it. This is a meal. It is breakfast on the go or a afternoon snack or whatever. And then I use 1 cup of hot brewed coffee. So here we go. I've got my 1/8 of a teaspoon of sunflower lecithin in there, and then my collagen, stevia, my ghee, which is very hard. It's supposed to be a tablespoon of it, but I am very bad and don't measure most of the time. A teaspoon of MCT oil, and then my coffee. I'll be right back. Okay, that was it for today. Hopefully next week I'll be a little more put together and feeling better. And until then, thank you for watching.